What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. My Amazon order for Zuru 5 Surprise, My Mini Baby, is slowly starting to arrive. Like seriously, these wait times are no joke. I bought this 2-pack on Amazon for $15.99, which means they're about $7.99 a capsule. There are 12 to collect, and today we are adding 2 more to our collection. In the capsule, we have a baby certificate, a collector's guide showing all the babies and accessories. We have 4 paper bags, and oh no, I think it's another stroller. Let's carefully cut it across the top because I think we can reuse this bag. And yep, it's a stroller. Which means this baby is a double for me. There are instructions, so we can put the stroller together. I guess we can put this in a corner somewhere. In the other bag, we have a blanket and a hat. And the last bag is the little baby that we can wrap up in the blanket. Add a hat, and now we have twins, which is genius because who is going to get upset about doubles when they're twins? Well, there is this. Now that we have all of these little paper bags, we can turn them into shopping bags like we did with the Mini Brands books. Just trim a little off the top and make sure it's even. Go to the side of the bag and we're going to flatten it to make a little triangle. Fold the triangle over so it's underneath our soon-to-be bag. If this sealed in is too wide, we can just trim it down, fold the triangles on both sides, and secure with tape. Crease the corners, fold over the bottom just like a bag. Take the strip we cut off the top, cut it into 2 pieces, carefully twist them, leaving the ends flat. After twisting 2, tape the flat sides inside the bag to make a mini shopping bag. Well, a My Mini Baby shopping bag, which is perfect for our baby store. Out of 1 capsule, we can get 2 large bags. Then we can take a little tissue paper. I'm using blue, green, and white. Then we're gonna just fold it a little bit and place it inside the bag. And we can totally use these as shopping bags or gift bags. Let's make something to go in them. I was on Pinterest and I saw these little baby cocoons. And I think we can make something similar using socks. These are toddler socks I bought at Target a while back. I cut off the top of the sock, cut a rectangle out of the bottom, open it up, fold over the top 2 times, then fold it in half, matching up the edges. I use pins to hold it in place, sew along the side using a needle and thread or a sewing machine, and I went over the edges with a zigzag stitch. At the bottom, sew a loose stitch, then pull the thread to gather it. Make a few stitches to secure it, flip it inside out, place the baby inside to make a quick baby cocoon. I cut a small rectangle from the heel of the sock. Let's fold the bottom twice again, fold it in half just like before, sew up the side. I go over the edges to stop them from unraveling. When I get to the top, flip it inside out, place it on the baby's head, carefully stitch around the top to gather it to make a matching hat. Take the rest of the sock and let's turn it inside out, then fold it to look like a folded baby blanket on a shelf. It can also be functional if you just want to wrap the little baby in one. It kind of looks like a little crocheted blanket. I like to have lots of little ways to wrap up the babies because for me, some of my included Velcro on the little blankets has come loose. But it's good to know that we can easily make our own swaddles, wraps, and cocoons. Let's open the second capsule. Wait, let's shake it to see if it sounds like a stroller. Nope, I think we're good. Let's pull the little tab, remove the wrapper, and see what's inside. I'm hoping for a crib because I haven't gotten one yet. And this is another bouncer in the color yellow. So this is another double for me. Welcome to the mini world, my mini baby. Oops. Sorry about that. This time we get a diaper, so yay. I think they should all come with a diaper. Just saying, you know, just so we don't have to wrap all our little babies up in cocoons. Although they are kind of adorable. But here is the newest addition to our My Mini Baby collection. Another twin. But this little baby comes with a teething ring, which is super cute. Since I didn't find my Mini Baby crib today, let's check out Perfectly Cute Series 3. I bought this from Target for $5.99. It was buy one, get one 50% off. So I got two. This is another surprise baby toy that's been out for a while. Looks like we'll get a baby, a toy, a bottle or a sippy, and a crib. It comes in two colors and I'm hoping for the greenish one. I have a feeling that the baby might be too large for our 1/6 scale dolls. But I'm interested in seeing the accessories. It's the purple one. The crib is made of plastic and assembly is required, but it doesn't look too complicated. This line is by Jack's Pacific. The crib is a little low and narrow. Here it is next to a curvy Barbie. Here's the included baby. Yep, it's definitely a little large. We could probably use it as a toddler with a made-to-move curvy Bratz. It has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. But yeah, I think it's a little large for a Barbie. However, the included accessories are kind of cute. We have a little cloud pillow, and it totally matches our color palette. And we have a bottle that's kind of squishy. A Barbie can easily hold it, and I guess we can pretend to use it with My Mini Baby. However, it is a little large. But it matches. I'm opening the second one pretty much to see the accessories. Ooh, we got the green crib, so at least we can see what it looks like. Here's the baby. We have a crib toy that could come in handy and a pink bottle. I wonder if there is something else we can do with these wrappers because I kind of tore this one. What if we cut them into small rectangles, take some tissue and fold it up, place it inside the wrapper, trim off the excess, then roll it and secure with a little tape. Make several, glue them around a plastic cap, going all the way around, add a second layer if you like, add ribbon and bows, and our DIY teething ring made out of hot glue to make a miniature diaper cake, allowing us to recycle the paper bags in the capsules and make a few things for a miniature baby shower. Thank you for joining us while we had fun with some baby stuff. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.